Hi, this is Sharon with inspiredbygram.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to just come on quickly to remind you of two of my programs that are expiring on November 20th, 2020. That's this Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. One is my November Card Club, and the other one is my holiday crafting right to your door, and I'll be featuring notebooks this month. So let's go over each of the programs. First is my most popular program. It's my card club. We will be making 8 cards, 2 of each design, and these are the designs I have made for November. They all feature Christmas cards, and we have a bonus in here as well, which is this one right here, which is a gift card / greeting card all in one. So you'll make 2 of each cards. It uses the beautiful metallic edged ribbon, which you would receive a full bolt. It also features these beautiful, elegant, faceted gems. I used some on this one, 2 different colors, petal pink, and this is kind of like an ivory white. I'm also featuring the Poinsettia Place Designer Series paper, which you'll receive half a pack. And I've already got this one cut down 6 by 12. So I don't use a lot of designer series paper in here, so you'll have a lot of left over for future cards as well. And these are the elegant faceted gems. You can see I've used about half a pack, but I've done multiple cards on this, so you won't use very many of these in your card club for November, but you have extra supplies to use on future projects. The stamp set that I'm including, or not including, but I'm featuring is Snow Wonder and Itty Bitty Christmas. So you can see where I've used both of these. Here's the Itty Bitty Christmas. And on the inside, I used Blessed Christmas Wishes. And I followed up with the trees that come in the Snowman Wonder. So that's my club for November. Monthly club is a recurring fee that is $35. So when you can join for 1 month or you can join for eternity. But it'll be $35 a month, and it's a recurring fee, so you don't have to worry about re-signing up. We've got that all ready for you. So that is November Card Club, and I packaged them up in bags with labels here so you know what kit is what. And it comes presented very nicely as well. So that is my November Card Club. My special program here is Holiday Crafting Right to Your Door. And these are featuring these wonderful journals. So I know a lot of people like to write because we're going through a very difficult time in our world, especially with the resurgence of coronavirus. And I know lots of people like to journal. So these are journaling books. And I featured the ridiculously awesome stamp set from Stampin' Up. So the kit price is $44, and what you would receive in the kits would be all of these goodies, you guys. You get a package of new Wink of Stella, beautiful, and you can see where I used the Wink of Stella on the butterflies here. So it just adds a nice little touch. You'll receive a half a package of the champagne rhinestones, which you'll have plenty left over, you guys. The reversible Old Olive Pretty Peacock ribbon that I feature on all of the journals. It's just gorgeous. It even has a little bit of hint of glitter in there. You'll receive 4 coordinating pens and it won't be all these colors, but it'll be something similar. A third of a package of the Stampin' Dimensionals. So there's 1 sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals in there. And finally, these are how the kits come to you. So you'll get the journal right in there with all the cardstock cut and all the elements punched out for you as well. You can see this is the daisy one. Let's bring that one right up front. It's on the bottom here. So this is the kit to make this one right here. So it does not include the stamp sets, but I do have a gotta have it all bundle, and I also have a ridiculously awesome bundle as well. Gotta Have It All is $99, and that includes the 2 stamp sets, Ridiculously Awesome and Forever Fern, and 1 ink color, which is Pear Pizzazz, and 4 of the notebooks, 4 notebook kits. So all of these kits as well. The Gotta Have It All is $99. The Ridiculously Awesome just includes the Ridiculously Awesome cling stamp set and the kits for $68. And again, the kits only for $44. So you can't really go wrong with this, how this is priced. And let's just bring this all back in so you can get one more look at it. And these also make, you could sign somebody up and say you want to do, you're looking for a gift for, you know, a relative or a paper crafter as well. They're going to love making these. So a nice little Christmas gift is you could purchase this for them and give it to them as a gift. So let's just go over one more time. The card club, this is the bonus program or card that I'm including with November this month. It's a gift card holder and card all in one. And we've got the Sending You Blessings piece and magic this Christmas season. Thinking of you at Christmas. This is kind of a fun fold. And then we've got Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That Poinsettia Place Designer Series paper is just gorgeous. And I will already emboss this. It will come embossed. This is a tin tile dynamic embossing folder here. So I'll already have that all together for you. Card Club is very, very easy, and I know my customers are very satisfied with my Card Club. And then here is Happy Christmas. And on the inside, I just stamped Christmas wishes and joyful greetings. So you don't necessarily need the stamp sets for any of these projects. You could use whatever you have in your craft room, but I did want to come on and remind you guys that these two programs are expiring on November 20th, 2020 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. To receive the link, you will need to email me. I cannot post a link, but you certainly can email me for further information. And that email address is inspiredbygraham@gmail.com. Again, inspiredbygraham@gmail.com, all one word. All right, you guys take care and be well and be safe.